Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Social Studies class of grade 3. This is video number 2 of lesson 5 for all to use. In this video, we will solve the exercises and question answers. Before starting exercise, let's have a quick recap of our lesson. We all live in a house and our house is on a street. The people who live near our house are our neighbors. All the people living in one place form a community. The community can be a village, a town, or a city. The people of a country are its citizens. We are Pakistani citizens. In a community, there are many things that are shared by all people, like streets, parks, hospitals, airports, shops, schools, air, water, public transport, and so many other services. Some of these facilities are for all of us to use. These are called services. Some of the facilities we share are free for us, like the air we breathe, the rain that falls, and the sunshine that brightens the day. But there are some facilities that are called services. They are not free. We have to pay charges for them. Services can be private or public. Public services are for all of us to use, like security provided by police, water supply, government hospitals, bus stops, airports, and railways. But other services like private schools, private hospitals, and courier companies are private services, and their charges are higher than the public services. Tax. Every person in a community has to pay tax, like income tax, property tax, road tax, and sales tax. The money collected by tax is used by the government to provide services for everyone. The community helpers like street cleaners, postmen, firefighters, and phone linemen are paid by the tax collected from citizens. Government. Dear students, we all must know what is a government. Government is a group of people who make rules for us and decides how much tax we have to pay. The government is chosen through elections. We vote and choose people who will make rules for us. This was all about the lesson. Now come towards the exercises. First, we will solve the question answers given on page number 26. The first question is, which of the services named in the lesson do you use? Now students, think about it. We talked about which services? Come on, think. Yes, we talked about street cleaners, telephone operators, electricians, postmen, police, and firefighters. So now how will we write the answer? Now let's see. We will write our answer like this. We use the services of street cleaners, telephone operator, electrician, postman, police, and firefighters. Next question is, how is government chosen? Now students, just think what we have discussed and what is the process through which government is chosen? Yes, the government is chosen through elections. The people vote for persons who will make fair and useful rules for all, decides the taxes, and ensure that proper services are provided for the public. We will write the answer like this. Government is chosen through an election. We vote and choose the people who will make rules for us. Now question number 3. What does the government do? Now children, quickly think over it. I'm sure you know the answer. Yes, we have already discussed that government decides how much tax we have to pay and ensure that proper services are provided for public. Okay, now let's write the answer. The government makes rules for us and decides how much tax we have to pay. It provides us with services such as schools, hospitals, roads, and public buildings. It provides us with water, electricity, and transport. Now, in question 4, it is asked what is tax and how it is used. Now you have to tell me first that what is tax? Yes, think about it. Yes, tax is used to provide services for everyone. Now this is how we will write the answer. Tax is money collected from the citizens which is used to provide services for everyone. Wonderful children, you have done very well. Now we will solve work page A. The question is, you do not have to pay for everything. Write free or not free against each of the following. In our discussion, we have learned that there are some services for which we have to pay, and for some services we do not have to pay. Now children, when we walk on the street, do we have to pay? No, we do not have to pay anyone. Walking on street is free. So what will we write here? Yes, we will write free over here. Number 2 is studying in a school. Now children, you all know very well that for studying in a school, we all have to pay school fee, and we keep its record in a fee card. So studying in school is not free. And what will we write here? Free or not free? Yes, your answer is correct. We will write not free. Number 3 is buying something from a store. Children, we all go to the market to buy something. Does it ever happen that we took a chocolate or ice cream from a shop and start eating without paying for it? No, the shopkeeper will never give it to us free. He will ask for the money. So it means that buying something from market is not free. So what will we write here? Free or not free? Yes, we will write not free. Number 4 is breathing fresh air. Air is free for all of us. It is present all around us. So what do you think? We have to pay for it? No, we can breathe fresh air without paying for it, and it is free. So come on, tell me, what will we write here? Yes, we will write here free. Good. Number 5 is using a bus or a taxi. Children, whenever we travel in a bus, we have to buy its ticket. And whenever we hire a taxi, we have to pay its rent. So what do you think? Is it free or not? No, it is not free. So we will write, yes, we will write not free over here. Number 6. Number 6 is using water to wash clothes. Children, we all know that water is free for all of us. Now tell me that when we use water to wash clothes or any other thing, do we have to pay? No, very good. We do not have to pay for water. So what will we write here? Free. Very nice, children. You're all doing very well. Now next is seeing a doctor in a hospital. Okay, children, whenever we are sick or we have any health problem, we go to a doctor for our medical checkup in a hospital. There we have to pay the doctor's fee. So it means that seeing a doctor is not free. And what will we write here? Yes, not free. Now the last one. Drying clothes in the sun. Children, sunlight is coming to us directly from the sun. So tell me, do we have to pay for it to someone? No, we do not have to pay for it. Drying clothes in the sun is free. Now tell me, what will we write here? Yes, we will write free. That's great. You're all doing very nice. Now work page B. In work page B, we will not find the words in the grid. We will find the meanings of given words. We will write the question, what do the following terms mean? Dear students, we will use a dictionary to find the meanings of these terms. Now quickly open your dictionary and find the meanings of community. We have already discussed it in our lesson. Okay, did you find it? Good. Yes, community is a group of people who live in one place. For example, a village, a town, or a city. Now next is tax. Yes, come on, find out the meaning of tax. Good, we already know it. Money paid to the government for community services. Now next is services. Yes, children, come on, find it out. Services. Good, you find it out? Yes, tell me. Yes, the meaning of services is something that is done to help others. Now D and E are public and private. We already know the meanings of these things as we have read in our lesson. Public means for everyone and private means belonging to someone. Neighbors. Children, we already know who are our neighbors. Yes, people living near our house are our neighbors. Okay, the next one is election. Now children, you have to find out the meaning of election. Okay, you find out the meaning of election, children? We have already discussed it in our lesson. Election is a process in which the people vote for persons who will make rules and decide how much tax we have to pay and what services to provide. Okay, the last one, income. Income is the money that is received after doing any work. So, the meaning of income is money received for the work done. Now work page C. Children, there are some instructions for work page C. The question given in your book is, do you know your neighbors? Describe some of them. What other buildings are there near your school? Find out. Dear students, in this activity, we have to write the word home instead of school. Now our question will be like this. Do you know your neighbors? Describe some of them. What other buildings are there near your home? Find out. Every student will write his own answer according to his own surroundings. I am writing it according to my own surroundings. You can take help from here. Yes, I know some of my neighbors very well. The people who live to the right side of my house are very nice and kind. The family that lives to the left side of my house is also very nice. They are 5 family members. Their youngest son is my class fellow and we often visit each other and spend most of the time together. In front of my house is a mosque. Beside the mosque there is a park where different families come in the evening. There is a small cabin also, from where we buy snacks and grocery. Now children, I have described my neighborhood. All this is about my neighbors, but you have to write about your own. Okay dear students, we have solved the exercises and work pages. I hope you understood well and now you will be able to do them independently. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.